In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the chart in the Binance Futures trading platform. The process is simple, intuitive, and designed to help you fine-tune your trading experience. Let's walk through each step so you can customize your charts just the way you want them. First things first, you'll want to start by opening the Binance app on your device. Once you're in, navigate straight to the Futures section. It's quite straightforward to find and usually just a tap away on your main dashboard. Accessing this area sets the stage for all the charting and trading functionalities you'll need. Once you're into the Futures section, you're going to want to focus on the chart area. Tap on this section to expand it. Expanding the chart gives you a better view and more space to work with, which is particularly useful when making detailed analyses or simply viewing larger data sets. A full screen view can provide greater insight and help prevent overlooking critical details. As you delve deeper into your expanded chart, you'll find the option to switch between different chart types. You can easily toggle between a candle chart, a depth chart, or a line chart. Each type offers a different perspective. The candle chart provides comprehensive data about price movements within specific time frames. The depth chart gives a visual representation of the order book, while the line chart offers a simple view of market trends over time. Selecting the chart type that best fits your analysis style is crucial to better understanding market dynamics. Next, you'll notice there are options to adjust indicators and time frames according to your needs. Indicators can be key in performing technical analysis, highlighting trends and signaling potential market changes. Whether you're using moving averages, RSI, or Bollinger Bands, adjusting these settings is essential to tailor your chart to your specific trading strategy. Similarly, setting the right time frame, be it minutes, hours, or days, helps in aligning the chart with your trading plans. Once you've customized your chart with the desired indicators and selected the appropriate time frame, take a moment to review and make any final tweaks. This is your chance to personalize the chart fully, ensuring it's optimized for your style of trading. Once satisfied, you can simply tap back to return to the trading area, and there you have it, a customized chart setup on the Binance Futures trading platform tailored specifically for your needs. Remember, customizing your charts not only enhances your trading experience, but also equips you with better tools for decision making. With practice, setting up your charts will become second nature, allowing you to focus more on the essential aspects of trading. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.